Why is it so hard? Look at what it looks like. What's wrong with this cube? But it's so beautiful. God. Who knew it would be so hard? Hello everyone, I'm Cubastic. Welcome to my channel. This channel is about puzzles, and I've solved a lot of puzzles, mates, but I forgot completely that puzzles, in addition to being complex, can also be beautiful. And today's video is all about this, about beautiful puzzle. Look at it closer. I really want you to see it, because even the packaging of this puzzle says there's something very decent inside. Just look at how satisfying this unpacking is. There's a tab on the package. God, this is probably one of the best packed puzzles I've ever seen. Like, if you like to peel off the tapes and different stickers too. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. That moment when even unpacking the puzzle is as much satisfying as solving it. My god. So, the big moment. Drum roll, mates, and go! Wow. Well. Looks like some valuable piece you can't touch somewhere in a museum under a glass cap to keep it away from other people's hands. Here it is, this puzzle, and this unique thing is called the Clover Cube by Mafang Company. It's a top puzzle maker. They produce high quality cubes, but this is a line of unique puzzles. And I think that can be understood not only by the appearance of this cube, but also by the way it was packed. By the way, we already used the gift from the shop. Looks perfect. First, I'm not gonna touch it, scramble it. I don't want to tell you the first impressions right now, I just want to look at it. It's so gorgeous. Holy moly. I really love good quality puzzles, and this one is going to take an honorary place in my collection. Well, now let's try to twist it, but it's unclear how to do it so far. Maybe this... Oh, it's so cool. Such a soft, smooth movement. Okay. I really like it. Look, we could turn each of the edges. It is only 12 edges and each one is turning 180 degrees if I'm not mistaken. Is it right? Right. Let's try to scramble it. Something tells me that if we don't finish turning this cube like this, we could twist this element. If so, it would be very difficult to solve this puzzle. Because we know the puzzles that change their shapes are... Yes, it changes its shape. Puzzles that change their shape, they are very hard to solve. Guys, I'm really thrilled and excited to scramble this puzzle further, because I don't know how to solve it. I don't know how to do that, and I'm really worried because I'm afraid I can't solve it. But I hope I can do that. Just look, it's a crazy thing, it's a crazy puzzle, it can't be solved easily. You have to be a professional puzzle solver to solve it in a short time. I have a lot of experience, but I haven't solved such unique puzzles. I'll explain why it's complicated, because there are no algorithms. It's not like any of the cubes I've ever dealt with. It's a unique puzzle of its kind, and I don't know any algorithms that will help me and tell me how to turn this thing. I think I've completely scrambled it now. Oh my god, I'm even afraid to imagine how long it will take me to solve the thing. And the sponsor of this video is a cool puzzle shop, thecubicle.com. If you enjoy solving puzzles, Rubik's Cube and challenge yourself and your brain, I recommend you to go to the link and look at how many puzzles they have. On New Year's Eve, you will find a great gift for yourself, your friends and family. Especially for the New Year's Eve, in the Cubicle there's a discount for my subscribers with a promo code CUBASTIC for the whole range. Check the link in the description. Guys, let's do this. Look at what it looks like. You know, I was turning and I was talking and I forgot I was scrambling it what it would look like. But I never expected to see it like this. Now I don't know how to just get it back into a cubic form, and how to solve it with colors is actually a question for me. It looks scary. It's terrifying. We don't know what it is. I wish we could know what it is, but we do not. How about to gain 20,000 likes under this video? This is a hard challenge, but it is hard as much as dealing with this Clover cube. Let's start the stopwatch and find out how many minutes or even hours it takes me to solve it. You can write your assumptions, as always, in the comments, so let's move on. Honestly, I can't imagine how and where and what I should turn. Well, I'm doing something and I really want to believe that whatever I'm moving is gonna help me somehow. Although, in fact, it's very doubtful. Oh, it doesn't turn because it's blocked here. Such a situation may also happen here. Seriously? I don't know how to turn it yet. I'm just doing it at random now, and then I'm gonna start making things up, cause now I don't know how and what to do at all. And I'm going to try and put this one here. Okay, now wait a second. Okay, here. Oh, that's probably it. Yeah, the cube shape is solved in a minute, guys. I put this puzzle in a cube shape in 1 minute, and now let's figure out how the rest of it's gonna move. Look, the simplest thing, we're going to build blocks like this, for example. Well, I solved the first piece. Now I need to make it somehow... Why is it so hard? Theoretically, I should have started by flipping these... Look, something is working. And what is working? Actually, nothing yet. Oh, yes! One color, not bad. Why did I start with orange? I don't know. Okay. I really hope I'm doing at least something right, because I haven't seen any schemes before. How, what and where to turn to solve this puzzle. I act on a purely intuitive level. Only randomly. Okay, that's fine, but I need to turn this edge around. How to do that? That's it. Turns out it's simple. Flip it like that, done. Oh, look, almost solved, and it's been 5 minutes. And what do I have to do next? I guess I just need to act intuitively. Am I lucky or not? That's the question. Okay, it's not turning. I wish it was. Here. Okay. It might be risky. Look what's happening, guys. Just a bit left. Seems like I need to settle only 4 elements. Switch these 2 and these 2. Who knew it would be so hard, but it looks beautiful. 7 minutes on the stopwatch and not much left, but I have even less idea how to do that. I'm stuck right now, mates, cause I'm afraid to get lost and spoil everything I've already got. Look, the elements are situated so complicated here, because I hope you can see that they are just blocking each other and not turning. Here, see? The extra complexity of this puzzle is that I don't know how it works. It's absolutely new for me, so it's complicated. Well, nothing has changed. My goal is to swap these two elements, and how to do that is not at all clear yet. I think that's impossible at all in this position. Maybe I should swap these two elements and these two elements, because it's more real, it's much more real. I remind you that this video is sponsored by the Cubicle.com store. Okay. Guys, almost everything is solved in this cube. All I have to do is to put these two elements in their places. And I have absolutely no idea how to do that. At all. I mean, you know, I don't even have a clue. Okay, what can we do here, and how? Oh, I did everything but they switched places now. What's wrong with this cube? But it's so beautiful, God. Okay, for some reason I think there should be at least 3 elements involved in moving 2 elements, because it's some kind of, I don't know, puzzle rule. If we want to swap 2 elements, we have to use the 3rd element, but where do we get it? And where do we have to move it? This is really confusing. That's where we put it, move it, and we're stuck again. So, and... What? Oh! I was right, look, I did it! Stop. 17:59, 18 minutes. Yes. Oh... God, I'm always incredibly happy, guys. The greatest pleasure I get from puzzle solving is when I have no idea how to solve it. And then, by trial and error, I'm doing it. It's the most valuable and the coolest experience, the best emotions you can get from puzzles. And it all started by just ordering the cube at the Cubicle.com store. It looks incredible, guys, and it gives incredible emotions. Awesome. Folks, I don't know, I'm having such pleasure solving these puzzles. I don't know about you, I'm trying to show you, to tell you how it all works with all my passion. I'm sure a lot of you like it. If you like it, then hit the like button, let's not forget the number of likes we have together below. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these amazing puzzle videos. Thank you all so much for watching, I'm really glad that you and I are pumping our brains, doing cool stuff. Thank you all so much for watching, folks. This was Cubastic, bye everyone and have a good time. The interesting thing is, I really didn't know how to turn it, how to solve it, I mean just intuitively. I'm sure that there exists some method if you learn it, you can solve it like in 40 seconds. But I'm not sure, more possibly in 1 minute. I'll have to try it.